Do you know how McDonald's Chicken McNuggets are made? Are they as safe as you think? This question intrigues many, sparking curiosity and even skepticism about the production process behind this popular fast food. What you're about to witness might surprise you. Hit the like button and join Captain Discovery as we uncover the secrets behind the iconic crispy chicken McNuggets right now. Frozen trucks loaded with fresh farm-raised chicken arrive at the factory ready for a stringent processing journey. The meticulous production officially begins. Whole chickens are placed on the production line, but don't worry, no beaks or claws here. Only the tender white chicken breast meat is selected, the perfect choice for McNuggets' signature taste. Why the breast? Because it's tender, flavorful, and naturally sweet. A small amount of skin is added for enhanced flavor without making the nuggets too greasy. The chicken is now ready for its flavorful transformation. Ever wonder what creates the irresistible taste of Chicken McNuggets? The secret starts here. The chicken is ground to a perfectly smooth consistency. But grinding isn't enough. McDonald's secret seasoning blend is added in a special mixing process. Next comes the fun part. Have you noticed the quirky shapes of Chicken McNuggets? From the ball, bell, boot, and bow tie shapes? All designed for a delightful eating experience. Thanks to automatic shaping machines, over 50,000 nuggets are produced per hour, each perfectly sized. Which shape is your favorite? Think the breading is just for looks? Think again! The secret lies in double coating. The first coating is light and thin, ensuring the batter clings tightly to the chicken. The second layer is a special blend of flour, cornmeal, and leavening agents. This perfect combination creates a crispy outer layer, making each nugget more tempting than ever. But here's another secret. The frying oil at the perfect temperature. The sizzle sound when batter hits the oil is music to your ears. Interestingly, nuggets aren't fully cooked at the factory, they're only partially fried. So when you enjoy them at the restaurant, they're hot and crispy after the final fry. Think the processing ends here? Not quite. After pre-frying, the nuggets are flash frozen to lock in their freshness and maintain their crunchy texture. But that's not all. These frozen nuggets undergo several strict quality checks. Only those meeting top standards are carefully packed and shipped to McDonald's restaurants worldwide. Ready to enjoy? Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. That's Chicken McNuggets. One bite and you'll understand why millions of people love this iconic snack.
Sweet and sour.
Enjoying McNuggets without fries feels incomplete, doesn't it? However, fries have long been labeled as the culprit behind obesity. Think making fries is as simple as frying potatoes? The reality is much more complex. The journey of McDonald's crispy fries begins in the vast potato fields of North America, where fertile soil and ideal weather conditions allow potatoes to thrive. In early April, as the weather warms, the first potato seeds are sown, marking the start of a meticulous and labor-intensive growing process that lasts for months. Months later, the fields are covered with lush green potato plants. At dawn, giant harvesting machines work at full capacity, gently lifting each potato out of the ground without damaging their skins. Contrary to popular belief, potatoes aren't inherently fattening. In fact, they're rich in essential nutrients such as fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. However, not all potatoes meet the strict standards required. Only 4 varieties, Russet Burbank, Ranger Russet, Umatilla Russet, and Shepherdie, are selected by McDonald's. These varieties have low starch and sugar content, along with long shapes that result in crispier fries with less oil absorption. The conveyor belt keeps moving, removing dirt and transferring potatoes into large containers. Only the best potatoes are chosen, ready to enter the next stages of production, where the secret behind McDonald's iconic fries will be revealed. Freshly harvested potatoes can't go straight into production. First, they undergo a rigorous cleaning process. High-pressure water jets blast away any dirt left from the fields. But cleaning alone isn't enough. The potatoes are then fed into automatic peelers. Within seconds, their rough outer skins are removed, revealing smooth, white potato flesh underneath. To create those perfectly shaped fries you see in McDonald's, a high-powered slicing system is essential. The cutting machines operate continuously, transforming round potatoes into long, uniform slices with millimeter-level precision. This ensures every fry looks and cooks evenly to achieve McDonald's signature golden hue. But that's not the end of the process. After cutting, the fries are washed again to remove excess starch, ensuring they won't stick together during frying. After being cut and cleaned, the fries aren't just fried either. Before they become crispy golden fries, they undergo an essential but lesser-known step: blanching in hot water. This process helps fries maintain a tender interior and prevents discoloration when exposed to high frying temperatures. It only takes a few minutes, but this step is crucial to creating the perfect fry. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Immediately after blanching, the fries are thoroughly dried to prepare them for frying. Now comes the transformation that turns sliced potatoes into the famous fries loved by millions. The fries are lightly fried in vegetable oil at a precise temperature. Ever wonder why McDonald's fries have such a unique, irresistible flavor? The secret lies in the special oil blend enhanced with natural flavorings, giving them that signature aroma and taste. After frying, the fries are flash frozen to lock in freshness and extend their shelf life. But is frying the final step? Not quite! Making it to your plate isn't easy. Fries must pass the final test. Before leaving the factory, every fry undergoes strict quality checks. Only the best fries are carefully packaged and shipped to McDonald's restaurants worldwide. Are fries really fattening? The answer lies in how you enjoy them. A small portion of fries as part of a balanced meal won't automatically cause weight gain, as long as you know when to stop. What's your personal record for eating fries in one sitting? Share your experience in the comments below. If making fries surprised you, the journey behind one of the world's most famous beverages, Coca Cola, will fascinate you even more. Did you know that water is the most crucial ingredient in Coca Cola? But not just any water will do. Every drop must pass through massive filtration systems that remove all impurities, leaving behind only pure, clean water. Seeing these enormous water treatment tanks makes me feel so small. This process ensures Coca Cola tastes the same no matter where you drink it in the world. Here comes the most exciting part. Have you ever wondered what the secret formula behind Coca Cola's unique taste really is? The process begins by dissolving sugar into water, creating a sweet syrup. But that's just the beginning. The real secret lies in the mysterious 7X formula, known only to a handful of people worldwide. I imagine security guards standing watch, but instead, there are massive storage tanks holding this century-old secret. The moment you've been waiting for is here. This is when the secret syrup meets pure water to become a complete Coca Cola product. Tiny plastic bottle preforms are blown into their familiar shapes, while glass bottles and cans are also ready in their designated positions. After the preparation process is complete, all bottles and cans are sent into the filling system. Can you guess what happens next? Imagine the refreshing moment you open the cap and hear that signature psst sound. Bottles and cans are precisely filled with the Coca Cola mixture. But there's one more crucial element: carbon dioxide. Boom! In the blink of an eye, CO2 gas is pumped in to create the signature fizzy bubbles you love most when drinking Coca Cola. After that, each bottle and can is immediately sealed to preserve the fresh taste and lively bubbles inside. Think bottling is the final step? Think again. Before heading to stores, every Coca Cola bottle undergoes rigorous quality checks. Smart sensors inspect each bottle's fill level, cap tightness, and even label placement. If anything's off, that bottle is rejected immediately. This is why every Coca Cola bottle you open is perfect, no matter where you are in the world. Ready for the final stage? Automated robotic arms stack cans and bottles in neat pallets, like a giant game of Tetris. The pallets are securely wrapped and prepared for global distribution. From the factory to supermarket shelves and your dining table, Coca Cola's journey is precise down to the last detail. What's your favorite food to pair with Coca Cola? Do you have a go-to combo you can't live without? Share your experience in the comments below. McDonald's and Coca Cola have made numerous environmental commitments to reduce their production impact. 1. Emission reduction. McDonald's aims to cut greenhouse gas emissions by 50.4% by 2030, while Coca Cola focuses on reducing water usage to 1.77 liters per liter of beverage produced. 2. Renewable energy. Both companies are investing in renewable energy sources to lower carbon emissions. Three, packaging recycling. McDonald's has pledged that 100% of its packaging will be made from recycled materials by 2025, while Coca Cola aims for 35 to 40% recycled content by 2035. Four, sustainable sourcing. Ingredient suppliers are strictly monitored to ensure the protection of forests and natural resources. From chicken McNuggets and French fries to Coca Cola, every item undergoes a meticulous production journey filled with fascinating secrets, cutting-edge technology, proprietary recipes, and strict processes have shaped the familiar foods loved by millions worldwide. Were you surprised by what you just discovered? What impresses you the most? Pepperoni is the fiery heart of comfort food, a spicy salami that brings energy and boldness to every dish it touches. A fusion of American innovation and Italian tradition. This cured delight is crafted from a blend of pork and beef, seasoned with smoky paprika and a kick of chili pepper. Its deep red color and unmistakable sizzle on a pizza instantly ignite the senses, offering a tantalizing blend of spice, smoke, and savory richness. From its crispy edges to its meaty center, pepperoni transforms an ordinary meal into a crave-worthy experience. In this exciting episode, Captain Discovery goes on a mouth-watering journey to uncover the secrets behind the making of pepperoni. We will dive into the art of curing and drying, where time and technique transform simple ingredients into the bold, smoky, and spicy pepperoni we know and love. Get ready for an adventure, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Captain Discovery for fascinating processes from around the world. The history of pepperoni is rooted in the rich tradition of Italian-American cuisine. The word pepperoni is derived from the Italian word peperone, meaning bell pepper, but the meat product itself is unique to the United States. Italian immigrants brought their sausage-making skills to America in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, but it wasn't until the early 1900s that pepperoni as a distinctive type of cured sausage began to emerge. By the mid-20th century, pepperoni became a popular pizza topping in the US, especially with the rise of pizzerias after World War II. Its convenient size, bold flavor, and ability to retain its form when baked made it the perfect addition to America's favorite food. Today, pepperoni is an iconic topping in the pizza world and a beloved staple in American cuisine, with billions of slices consumed every year, blending old-world techniques with new-world tastes. Before we start, here's the Discovery Challenge about pepperoni. Which pizza chain is known for its pepperoni pizza being one of the best sellers? The answer will be revealed at the end of the video. Share your answer in the comments below now. To make pepperoni, farms carefully select breeds of pigs and cattle that are known for producing high-quality meat. The animals are raised with a controlled diet, often a mix of grains, corn, and supplements, to ensure they grow strong and healthy. The quality of feed impacts the texture and flavor of the meat. Once the livestock reach maturity, they are transported to a meat processing plant. For pigs, it needs to have a good balance of lean meat and fat. Similarly, beef cattle with tender and flavorful cuts are selected. Popular cuts for pepperoni include pork shoulder or beef brisket. The ground meat is mixed with a carefully prepared blend of spices. The spice mix is what gives pepperoni its distinctive, slightly spicy and tangy flavor. Common spices used include paprika, garlic powder, fennel seeds, black pepper, anise seeds, and sugar. And don't forget salt, a key ingredient for preserving the meat and drawing out moisture. The ground meat, fat, spices, and curing agents are thoroughly mixed in large industrial mixers. After mixing, the meat is allowed to rest for a short period. It's break time! Did you know pepperoni is the most popular pizza topping in the US? This means that out of all the possible pizza toppings, pepperoni is the one that people choose most often. Around 36% of all pizzas ordered in the US. It's a favorite because of its spicy, smoky flavor and how well it pairs with melted cheese and tomato sauce. And you? Do you love pepperoni? Share now in the comments below. After the meat has been prepared and seasoned, it moves into the curing stage. First, pepperoni is traditionally stuffed into natural or synthetic casings. Natural casings are preferred for their ability to provide a more traditional texture and flavor. The meat mixture is then placed into industrial stuffing machines, which fill the casings with the seasoned meat. After stuffing, the casings are tied into long, uniform sausages, about 1 to 2 inches. Once stuffed, the pepperoni sausages are hung on racks in a fermentation room. The room is kept at controlled temperatures, usually around 20 to 30 degrees Celsius with high humidity. Fermentation usually lasts between 24 to 72 hours, depending on the recipe and the desired flavor. Throughout fermentation, the pH of the pepperoni is closely monitored to around 5.0 or below, which ensures safety by preventing harmful bacteria from growing. After fermentation, the sausages are moved into a drying room, where they will lose moisture and continue to develop flavor. Shorter aging periods result in a softer, milder pepperoni, while longer aging periods create a firmer and more intensely flavored product. The final step involves slicing, packaging, and distributing pepperoni to stores and consumers. Some pepperoni is left in its original sausage form, while most of the product is pre-sliced for convenience. After slicing, the pepperoni is packed into airtight packaging and flushed with nitrogen to further prevent oxidation. After packaging, the pepperoni is stored in cold storage facilities. During transportation, the pepperoni must be kept at a constant, cool temperature to maintain its freshness. The temperature is maintained between 0 and 4 degrees Celsius. Then pepperoni is shipped to grocery stores, supermarkets, and specialty food shops. It is often sold in the deli section or in the aisle with other cured meats. And now is the answer for the quiz about which pizza chain is known for its pepperoni pizza. The answer is Domino's, Papa John's, and Pizza Hut. Pepperoni is consistently the most popular topping across the US, and these chains feature it prominently on their menus due to its high demand. Each chain offers its own spin on the classic pepperoni pizza, but they all share its enduring popularity with customers. Sustainable pepperoni production focuses on reducing environmental impact while maintaining quality. One key approach is sourcing meat from farms that practice ethical and regenerative agriculture, ensuring humane treatment of animals. To lower emissions, some producers use alternative feeds or methane-reducing technologies in livestock farming. Also, we need to reduce waste through whole animal utilization and biodegradable packaging. Finally, sourcing local and organic ingredients minimizes the carbon footprint and supports eco-friendly farming practices. Thank you everyone for joining the journey of making pepperoni. If you enjoy exploring anything in the world with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery. See you again!